we will show you how to download and install Ubuntu 26.04 on VirtualBox. First, open up your browser and go to ubuntu.com. Click on Download Ubuntu, then download Ubuntu Desktop. Select your architecture. Open up Oracle VirtualBox and press New to create a virtual machine. Give it a name, and under ISO image, select Ubuntu Linux ISO image file. Disable Proceed with unattended installation. Under OS version, select Ubuntu 64-bit. Press Display, then enable 3D acceleration and set video memory to 256. Go to System, add enough RAM and press OK. Press Start. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. Select your language, then close the window. All done. Please subscribe.